Hey everybody, back again, and today we are at Kirt and Niel Davis's forge out here in good old West Haven, Utah. We're going to be doing another Great Basin Blacksmith Guild. Sorry for the missing content lately. I have been taking a rest. I sprained my back. It was a horrible ordeal, but I am recovered now, and I'm getting back to it. So let's have some fun, let's move some metal, and let's hang out with some really awesome blacksmiths. So I'm now back at the home forge after the blacksmith meeting. We were making some soapstone holders. Soapstone does not burn up at forging temperature, so if you're looking for something to mark your metal with, look up some soapstone. And this holder is pretty simple. It's just basically a taco that holds that in there with a spring and a little pin on there to keep it in place, basically. Keeps it from sliding around when you're marking steel. Knowing me, I am a knife maker, so I also had to make a knife out of some virgin steel that I ended up getting off of another smith there. This still has a long way to go. I'll probably do a finished video on this on the channel just to show it off. It's based off an old hickory field knife. But huge shout out and a huge thank you to Kirt and Niel Davis. We were down at their forge today. They were hosting the Blacksmith Guild meeting this time. So again, huge shout out to Kirt and Niel Davis. Check Kirt out on YouTube. He has his own channel, and drop by and give him a subscribe if you like some blacksmithing content. And until next time, God bless. Love you guys. Stay safe out there.